If the red underlines in Microsoft Word are distracting you while you type, this quick tutorial is going to show you how to turn off spell check in a few seconds. This is a really useful setting if you're working with names, technical terms, code, or just want a cleaner writing experience without Word constantly marking every little thing. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. To disable check spelling as you type in Word, start by opening Microsoft Word on your computer. It can be any document, blank or existing, because this setting is changed through Word's Options menu rather than inside the document itself. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner and click File. This opens the Backstage menu, where Word keeps all of its main settings and account options. From there, scroll down near the bottom and click Options. This will open the Word Options window, which is where you can change formatting, display, saving, and proofing settings. Inside the Word Options window, find and click Proofing on the left-hand side. This section controls spelling, grammar, autocorrect, and other editing tools that Word uses while you type. Now look for the section that says When correcting spelling and grammar in Word. Under that section, you'll see a checkbox labeled Check Spelling as you type. This is the setting that causes Word to underline words in red as soon as it thinks something is misspelled. To turn it off, simply uncheck that box. Once it's unchecked, Word will stop checking your spelling live as you type. If you also want to reduce other proofing distractions, you can review the other spelling and grammar options in this same area, but the main one you need for this tutorial is Check Spelling as you type. After you've made the change, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your settings and close Word Options. Now go back to your document and start typing. You should notice that Word no longer shows the red spelling underlines while you type, which gives you a much cleaner workspace. If you ever want to turn it back on later, just follow the same steps and recheck the box in the proofing settings. So just to recap, go to File, then Options, then Proofing, and under When correcting spelling and grammar in Word, uncheck Check Spelling as you type. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple Word tips, Windows how-tos, and productivity shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.